How to unfollow everyone on TikTok. So this is basically a new way on how you can unfollow everyone on TikTok. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. So firstly, you're going to want to go ahead and click the three horizontal lines at the top right hand corner. Now click settings and privacy. Once you're here, you should get a few options here in sections. Now make your way all the way to the bottom here to the support and about section. There should be about three options in this section. Now you're going to want to go ahead and click on report a problem here, and you're going to get brought up to this page with a bunch of topics, popular topics, and quick access topics. So you're going to want to go ahead and click one of the topics that is somewhat similar to the problem you're having. So I'm going to go ahead and click on account and profile here, and it's going to bring us to another page with more topics. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on editing profile here, and it's going to give us a few options here, but we're going to click others since our problem doesn't seem to be up here. So it's going to give us this issue that a resolve type problem here. So go ahead and skip that. Click need more help right at the bottom here. Once you go ahead and do that, you should be able to get a report a problem ticket right here. They can go ahead and fill out. Now you're going to want to give a brief description of what is actually happening here. So just basically say that I want to unfollow everyone, but it takes too long. So just give them a brief description of the problem you're having, which for our case here is unfollowing everybody, right? So give them that brief description, guys, and you can also send them a picture here as well. That's going to be very beneficial to you because it's going to give them a clear direction of where to head when solving this problem, right? So once you go ahead and do that, just go ahead and click submit, and you should be able to actually submit the ticket. Now, it takes like maybe a day or two for them to actually take a look at the ticket, but it should be rather quick. Shouldn't be slow at all. So that's how you go ahead and unfollow everyone on TikTok, guys. It's super easy. It's super simple, guys. But hopefully you found this new way very helpful. Please leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll go ahead and see you guys until next time.